Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix the issue where your laptop only works when plugged in on Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. So make sure to follow all the steps carefully. Firstly, click on the search bar and type Device Manager, and then click on it to open. This tool allows us to manage all hardware drivers on your system. Now click on Battery. Here you can see 2 or 3 options related to battery drivers. Then right-click on Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery, and then click on Disable. If you have 2 options with the same name, then disable both of them. Disabling this driver temporarily helps reset the battery configuration in Windows. After that, again right-click on Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery and then click on Enable. This step reinstalls and refreshes the battery driver, which can fix power-related issues. Now move to the second method. Click on the search bar and type CMD, and then click on it. Make sure you open Command Prompt. Now type the command, Power CFE Restore Default Schemes, and then press Enter. This command resets all power settings to their default values. Sometimes incorrect power plans or modified settings can cause battery-related issues, and this command fixes that. It may not show anything after running the command because it works in the background. After completing both methods, your laptop should start working properly on battery as well. If the issue still continues, then it might be a hardware battery problem. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.